How to determine the language of a piece of text. I want to get this. How can I do it in Python?
1. Text blob. Deprecated, use official Google Translate API instead. Requires NLTK package, uses Google. Pip install text blob. Note, this solution requires internet access and text blob is using Google Translate's language detector by calling the API. 2. Polyglot. Requires NumPy and some arcane libraries. For Windows, get an appropriate versions of Pyku, Morfessor, and PyCLD2 from here, then just pip install downloaded_wheel.whl. Able to detect texts with mixed languages. Pip install Polyglot. To install the dependencies, run sudo apt-get install python numpy libkudev. Note, Polyglot is using PyCLD2, see this URL for details. 3. Chardet. Chardet has also a feature of detecting languages if there are character bytes in range 127 to 255. Pip install Chardet. 4. LangDetect. Requires large portions of text. It uses non-deterministic approach under the hood. That means you get different results for the same text sample. Docs say you have to use following code to make it determined. Pip install LangDetect. 5. Guess_language. Can detect very short samples by using this spell checker with dictionaries. Pip install Guess_language Spirit. 6. Langid. Langid.py provides both a module and a command line tool. Pip install Langid. 7. FastText. FastText is a text classifier, can be used to recognize 176 languages with the proper models for language classification. Download this model, then pip install FastText. 8. PyCLD3. PyCLD3 is a neural network model for language identification. This package contains the inference code and a trained model.
Have you had a look at LangDetect?
Abrabash had a good list of tools on this URL. And Atoto_Tico did a nice job in presenting the speed comparison. Here's a summary to complete the great answers above, as of 2021. If you are looking for a library that is fast with long texts, Polyglot and FastText are doing the best job here. I sampled 10,000 documents from a collection of dirty and random HTMLs, and here are the results. I have noticed that a lot of the methods focus on short texts, probably because it is the hard problem to solve. If you have a lot of text, it is really easy to detect languages, e.g. one could just use a dictionary. However, this makes it difficult to find for an easy and suitable method for long texts.
There is an issue with LangDetect and it is being used for parallelization and it fails. But Spacy_LangDetect is a wrapper for that and you can use it for that purpose. You can use the following snippet as well.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.